good morning, good morning. Oh, hi unto you that you are following me. You are welcome in this channel, Raising Energy, Raising Vibration. I am Mamza, leading you throughout this channel into your journey of raising your energy, raising your vibration for you to live the life that you want and to manifest the life that you want. Okay, friends, family, colleagues, we are going to talk about something very important today. How the secret of communicating with the universe, the secret to implement the universe, the secret to penetrate the universe, the secret of penetrating the universe. All those topics refer to one thing: the secret to penetrate the universe. How can you penetrate the universe without much effort, without a lot of struggle? To penetrate, what does first of all mean by penetrating the universe or communicating the universe? Penetrating simply means to communicate, to let the universe know about your desire, to let the universe know about your feelings, and to cause the universe to react to your desire, and to cause the universe to react to your feelings. How can you do that? It's possible you can do that. Some people think that to do that by just words, by praying, by talking, they can easily. No. There's a secret here I want to let you know. That secret is very powerful. If you practice that secret till the latter, I beg you, you are going to see wonderful result of manifestation in your life. Please make sure you follow this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video, because each part of this video, each section, each word that I say here is very important in helping you in raising your energy, raising your vibration for you to manifest the life that you want. What is the secret? The secret is feeling. Now, most people know feel, but how can you transcend that secret into the universe? The secret is feeling. I know that most of you that are following me, you can say, we're going to talk about the same thing. Or if you are new into stuff, okay, just follow me up. I will not just explain this feeling like the same way. There are some people that will do, that some really that they will not really tell you on how to communicate your feelings to the universe. But please, I'm going to teach you. There's a plus in this video, in this channel, that is going to teach you on how to communicate your feelings to the universe. We just communicate our feelings to the universe, just standing like that and say, universe, this is what I feel. I feel love. I feel patient, and this is how. Please just take my feeling and let me. No. That's not how we do. There's a strategy. There's a way of doing it that if you do it, if you apply that strategy to the latter, I'm begging you, your manifestation will be speeded, and it will be easy for you to manifest the life that you desire. Now, feeling. How can you transcend? How can you communicate your feelings to the universe? Now, I'll go back to page 1. Whenever you want to manifest something, go somewhere in your quietness, where you'll be alone, Visualize what you want to manifest. Be precise about what you want to manifest, and then visualize it. And when you visualize it now, visualize yourself already having the thing. How will it feel when you manifest maybe $10, or when you manifest, for me to say, $1,000? How will it feel when you manifest that house? Begin to feel it. Feeling is not just enough. Begin to feel it. Now, most often people just end at feeling it. That's what is always causing blockage to people, or is delaying their manifestation. I'm saying you that feeling it is not enough. This is an additional knowledge I'm going to give you. Follow me. Just follow me. And what is that knowledge? As you feel it, this is something. That's why if you see they want to tell you a secret, they are going to lower the voice. The voice will be lower because it's a secret. It's a secret. The voice will be lower. That's why you see me like lowering my voice. Because it's a secret. As you feel it, let the feeling encompass your body. Let the feeling penetrate your whole in. Let the feeling encompass your body, and let the feeling penetrate your whole individual. I repeat myself. Concentrate yourself in your body. That's how you'll be letting the feeling. If you feel the feeling that you have, let that feeling move through you like an electricity. And that way you'll be amplifying the feeling. And the more you amplify the feeling, your heart amplified, and the faster it goes to the universe. Look at that. I've told you something that in this channel, I'm not outside to joke. I'm not outside to joke. I'm out to talk and reveal secrets. That's what, and that's my mission. I'm out to talk and to reveal secrets. Secrets that they didn't tell you, that you don't know. I'm out to tell you. Sit silent. If it's possible, lie down on your back. Lie down. Bring your attention back to your body and hold that feeling. Begin to feel that feeling in each cells, in each part of your body. You can start with the heart and let that feeling move through you like an electricity. If you practice it very well, you are going to feel it. You feel that feeling. It will be a tingling vibration. And that's how the more you focus on that feeling, it's going to expatiate throughout your entire body. The energy is going to expand. And the more the energy expands, the easier for your heart to amplify it and send it to the universe. And send it to the infinite spirit. And send it to the realm of creation. Yeah. That's the secret. That's the secret. I have revealed the secret. That's the secret. Let the feeling go you that is move you through like an electricity by concentrating on each and every part of your body. Amplify it through consecration and just be silent. Just be conscious of the feeling. Just be conscious. The more like that, the more it's like you have auric fair is going to increase. It's going to expand of that feeling. And the more it expands, the easier it will be for your heart to amplify it and send it to the universe. If you have seen my video, there's an image where you see a man like that. The heart is amplifying energy to the universe. That's how it's going to be amplified. When my videos are starting, there's a man that you see that is just like that. Take note of the video when they're starting. That's how your heart is going to send it. That's how you'll be communicating, transcending the thing. Because the universe it easily receive our thoughts, our feelings from it, our emotions. It's easy for the universe to receive our emotion than our words. The universe is the universe of feelings. When you communicate to the universe through feelings, it easily responds to it. And that's the secret I have just shared with you. Begin to do that. And if you want, this is a bonus I'm going to add. The bonus. Are you ready to receive the bonus? Are you ready to receive the bonus? Are you ready to receive the bonus? Yay! Hamza, tell us. Yes, let me tell you. This is the bonus. The way to do that. If you want to do that, do it when you know you won't be disturbed. And when you do it, just fall asleep. Just cause yourself consciously. That is when you do it, fall immediately asleep. Why should you do it and fall asleep at once? Because when you fall asleep, you cause your subconscious to pick it and begin to process it. Although you have already sent it to the universe, but your subconscious, the universe easily interacts with your subconscious mind than interacting with your conscious self. The universe interacts with your subconscious mind easily than interacting. When you are doing consciously. It's true you are penetrating your subconscious, but when you sleep while doing it, you fall asleep while doing it, you like put a stamp that cannot be removed in the subconscious mind, and you assign, and then it knows that yes, this child, or this boy, or this man that's really what you want. Now you can use this secret in your business, use it in your relation, use it in anything that you want to succeed. Use it. I have been using the secret and it has been working. Use the secret and you yourself, you are going to do something. You are going to see a wonderful result, wonderful manifestation in your life. Wonderful manifestation in your life. I'm going to leave you here. Please make sure if you are new, you subscribe into this channel and you give a thumbnail to this video and you comment, please. I'll be able to notify you with upcoming video to help you into raising your energy, raising your vibration for you to manifest the life that you want. So I am M. Hamza, leading you throughout this channel, raising energy, raising vibration. So I'll just say that let the universe respond to you according to your feelings.